Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge 30 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change font size. First of all, go into Settings. Now scroll down just a bit to access Display. Then scroll down again, tap on Display Size and Text, and lastly swipe left or right on this font size slider in order to adjust it. You can check out Preview above. So when I do that and go back, I can see that size of my text has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!